Alrighty then. I'm sure that's fine. So a lot of people have probably done videos on this DLC, but no one's had fun with it. They just kind of did what they were supposed to do, and then just said, "Oh, this is great." And you know what? No, this is great. I did the story too. It was sweet. I quite liked the funny, as it were. However, I want to you know, have fun. I want to treat this like it's Gmod. So, if it weren't obvious, it's a chase. Alright, so I'm kind of limping down the track sideways. Yep, I should probably speed the fuck up now. Okay. So, kind of being chased by a Class 47. I'm going like 52, but that thing's probably going 80. Actually, I don't quite know how fast 47s can go. That's not good. Alright, Thomas, fucking go fast. Oh god, it is right there! Fucking go! What? Okay. Okay. Yeah, you just keep doing that. I'm totally with you. Get me out of here. Oh. What the fuck? Oh. This is not how it should be. Oh. Okay then. Jake! Okay.